everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project JP The Palace by JP Infra located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location right in front of the sales office of our project. And behind me you can see the actual tower with construction in full progress. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, parking provision, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, maintenance, possession, pros and cons and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, let's talk about the project overview. JP The Palace will be constructed on 22 acres of land parcel consisting of 9 towers that will be developed phase-wise. Phase 1 already sold out, now launching Phase 2 with 3 towers having 9 level of podium plus 45 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium deck apartments. Talking about the location and connectivity, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and this is the main road and the neighborhood of our project. This project is located off Western Express Highway, right opposite Western Hotel in Mira Road, from where Mira Bhayandar Road is just 200 meters away, upcoming metro station is only 200 meters away, Thakur Mall is at a distance of 2 kilometers and Mira Road railway station is at a distance of 3.5 kilometers from the project. If you want to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Talking about the internal amenities, you will get vitrified tiles, Italian marble flooring, granite kitchen platform with stainless steel sink, CCTV cameras and many more. Coming to the amenities, project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with world-class gym, indoor games, squash court, badminton court, 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse, 1 acre forest garden, swimming pool and many more. Talking about the parking part, project have podium level of car parking facilities. As you can see in the model, this level is the car parking. Talking about the carpet area, 2 BHK has the carpet area of 700 plus square feet, 3 BHK has the carpet area of 1000 plus square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1700 plus square feet. Now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see, this is the typical floor plan of Tower A with each floor having 6 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. This is the typical floor plan of Tower A2 with each floor having 7 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 805 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 951 square feet and this is the unit plan of 4 BHK of 1610 square feet. Now let's talk about the maintenance part. The maintenance varies with configuration with 2 BHK maintenance ranging from 6500 to 7000 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging from 8500 to 10,000 per month. 4 BHK maintenance ranging from 12,000 to 13,500 per month. Talking about the possession, RERA possession date is for December 2031 but target possession is for December 2028. So everyone, this was the unboxing video of the residential project JP The Palace by JP Infra located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.